Hello, I'm Sarah Rutledge with Circular's Climate Working Group. Jennifer Wicker kicked off the Lenten series on climate victory gardens and introduced the 5 basic tenets of a climate victory garden. She focused on the first, planting food. I'm going to spend time on the second, keeping soils covered. Protecting soils is the first step to improving their health. Physically covering exposed ground in your garden decreases water needs, curbs erosion, maintains topsoil, and protects soil microbes. How is healthy soil related to the carbon cycle and to carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, you might be asking yourself? Well, plants absorb CO2, and some of that carbon dioxide is stored in the soil as decayed plant matter and living organisms in the soil. Soil is a living ecosystem. Conservation agriculture, also known as regenerative agriculture, uses cover crops, crop rotation, and minimal tilling in the production of annual crops. It protects soil and sequesters carbon. Since conservation agriculture makes land more resilient to climate-related events, such as drought and heavy rains, it is doubly valuable in a warming world. 2 things we can keep in mind for our gardens and flower beds. Apply mulch around plantings and allow some weeds. And also during seasons you aren't gardening, plant cover crops. In our area, recommended cover crops include clover and brassica. In our garden, we've used camellia blossoms to cover our soil in between our new plantings because we had so many in our yard. You can look at the links below the video to find more information about conservation agriculture and gardening in a time of a warming climate.